Hey guys, while the market continues to scare 99% of all crypto investors, we need to focus and show maximum attention to all areas where we can make real money. Right here and now, our task is to understand and see the very early stage gems that will bring 100s and sometimes 1000s of X's in the future. So, I decided to dive into the search for such coins in the most prominent and interesting AI narrative, because this market will definitely show maximum growth in the near future. So right now, the lives of all of us can change. Be sure to watch the video till the end, as it will definitely be useful. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's get started. But before that, let's talk about the news of the AI market in general, because it is very important to understand the narratives of the overall market and how the crypto market reacts to them. In general, it is very important to understand that the AI trend is nothing new anymore. All major players have long realized that AI is the future, and it is simply impossible to live without it. For example, Mark Zuckerberg announced a long-term AI strategy that favors significant investment over immediate revenue generation. That is, they want to create a technology that will make them billions down the road, not millions now. Zuckerberg revealed that Meta is planning for the compute clusters and data we'll need for the next few years, with a particular focus on their next AI model, Llama 4. The company expects that training Llama 4 will require nearly 10 times more computing power than its predecessor, Llama 3, which reportedly used 16,000 GPUs. Zuckerberg expressed his goal for Llama 4 to be the most advanced model in the industry next year. Meta's financial commitment to AI development is substantial, with the company forecasting full-year capital expenditures between $37 billion and $40 billion, an increase of $2 billion from previous estimates. Investors were warned to expect significant increases in capital expenditures next year as well. At the same time, the company's financial experts claim that they do not plan to make significant profits this year, which once again shows that we are in the early stages of this market. Apple continues to develop its own AI models that will be used in its devices in the future. This is of course very cool, as it will further popularize AI for ordinary people. Another interesting fact is that JP Morgan, a world-famous fund, is also starting to implement AI quite actively. In general, if you look at all the news related to AI, it is clear that this narrative is growing unrealistically fast. But it is very important for us as investors to understand that we need to choose assets to buy based on the level of coolness of their technology, because this will be the main driver of growth. So, I suggest moving towards coins that have a small capitalization and can demonstrate excellent growth through technology. The first project in this selection will be a coin from DexCheck AI. However, before I tell you about this coin, I want to make it clear that this video is not financial advice. Investing in the crypto markets, especially in small caps, is very risky. You should always do your own research and invest wisely. Currently, the DexCheck AI token is worth 3 cents and the project's market cap is around $10 million at the time of this video. The token is supported on the Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain networks, and its holders receive special products and opportunities. But first, let's take a look at the resource itself. The main value of the project is its utility, which is quite interesting. With DexCheck, you can follow the actions of the major players in the crypto market and get the latest information about the tokens you are interested in. On the screen, you can see both free features available to everyone and exclusive features available only to DCK token holders and stakers. Here's an interesting example of one of the features. They paid attention to the Kitty token being accumulated by smart market players and provided this information. This resulted in a 500% profit on the transaction. This is the kind of valuable information that token holders get. And this is just one of the features that the resource offers. However, in addition to the advantages, there are also disadvantages that cannot be ignored when analyzing tokens. We are still waiting for tokens to be unlocked, as not all of the supply is in circulation yet. Therefore, I will not rush to buy this asset, but will at least wait for the next unlocks to better assess the situation. The next token was the well-known Masa project. At the time of the video recording, the token price is 4 cents and the capitalization is $15 million. Masa is building the largest decentralized AI and LLM data network in the world. Users will be able to own, share, and earn from their data and computations to power AI applications. Of course, this idea is not new, and there are already some AI projects doing something similar, such as Theta Network. In general, Masa has a pretty good utility, with their analytics being used by projects like Near Protocol, Polygon, Injective, and the OKX cryptocurrency exchange. In addition, they have a separate line of business that actually helps in the early stages. Given the rather interesting and necessary technology, a cool list of partnerships, and very little token recognition, I can say with confidence that the project has really great potential. However, do not forget that not all tokens are in circulation, which can lead to a price drop. So you have to be careful with such assets, even with all the cool partnerships, technology, and all the other positive aspects. And while we are on the third project, I would like to hear your opinion about the first two. The third project is a rather interesting and even unusual project called GT Protocol. This is one of the AI tools for trading, copy trading, and execution of trades on such exchanges as Binance, Bybit, OKX, and others. The list of partnerships of this project is impressive, including major Web2 brands and leading cryptocurrency projects and exchanges. In addition, GT Protocol was incubated by ChainGPT, one of the best AI tools in cryptocurrency. The project has been around for a short time. In fact, it was launched only at the beginning of this year, and during this time it has already managed to reach a price of almost $5.5. However, its price is currently around 52 cents, and its capitalization is only 12 million. It is worth considering that the project is quite new, and currently only a little more than 30% of the total supply of the token is in circulation. There are significant token unlocks ahead, so you need to be ready for them. Next, I would like to talk about a project that currently has a capitalization of $32 million. The ALEPH token is named after a project of the same name that specializes in AI language models. Language models such as ChatGPT are not new to the cryptocurrency market, as there are already many representatives of this niche, including the popular ICP. However, ALEPH went further and decided to create AI assistants, similar to what they did with Fetch. It is also interesting that ALEPH offers several unique conversation models, such as chatting with Trump or a virtual boyfriend or girlfriend. It's up to you to decide how much this is needed in the market. I think that Fetch's competition will be useful, so I hope that this project will continue to develop. Besides, they have a lot of innovations planned for this year, including the introduction of GPUs. So we will keep an eye on developments. Just like the other tokens in this selection, ALEPH has a significant portion of tokens that are not yet in circulation. However, 50% is not as bad as the first three assets. The fifth and last asset in this selection is a rather risky project that has already proven itself well, and now has a capitalization of $85 million. I understand that this is a significant amount and that the price is already quite high, but it still cannot be considered an average capitalization. Looking ahead, I see a lot of growth potential in this bull market. First, the token has a pretty cool ticker, GPU, which creates and is already creating demand for purchases, especially due to the popularity of the GPU topic and against the backdrop of reports from NVIDIA and other major players. Second, Node AI is a decentralized platform that provides access to GPU and AI resources. It uses blockchain technology to create a secure and transparent environment. They allow their users to earn money by renting out their GPUs. It is actually a kind of marketplace for GPUs, which is definitely quite interesting and useful. The project is still relatively new, so there's still a lot of work to do. At this stage, I believe there are some risks in investing, but considering all the benefits of the project and the fact that the GPU market is developing at an incredible pace, I expect growth. And that's all for now. I would like to remind you that this video is by no means financial advice. This is just my vision and thoughts on the market. So always do your own research before investing and invest wisely. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the growth of coins. Thanks for watching, your Coin Post.